Still, his wife didn't answer. Becoming more concerned, he walked even closer, standing just 5 meters from her, and asked for the third time, "What are you cooking today?" But again, there was no reply. Finally, he stood directly behind her, and with a mix of worry and frustration said, "My love, what are you cooking tonight?" His wife, clearly irritated, turned around and snapped, "For the fourth time, I'm cooking garlic chicken and potatoes." The husband stood there in stunned silence, realizing with a sinking feeling that the problem wasn't with his wife's hearing, it was with his own. This experience taught him a valuable lesson. Sometimes we are so quick to assume that others are at fault when, in reality, the issue might lie within ourselves. Before judging or blaming, it's important to look at situations from different perspectives and consider that the problem may be with us. Stay blessed.